Hey peoples, we just got these in today and these are a bargain. They're a massive 500 litre chest freezer. Brand new in their boxes. They just are, as it says here, slightly torn cartons, and I'll just show you on this one. Just down the bottom here, it's got a little bit of a tear in the box. But other than that, they're brand new. Come with their full warranty. And the colour of them is black, which looks really quite nice. And we're selling these. We've only got two, and they're $8.99 each. So if you want a big bargain for Christmas to put all your food in, or if you get Jack of mother-in-law, you can throw her in there. Come and buy one of these great big chest freezers at PhD Factory Outlet, of course.